Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear aspirants. CSS 2017 Pakistan Affairs Question 2. Pakistan's national culture reflects unity in diversity. Elaborate. Introduction. Pakistan's national culture is a melting pot of various ethnic, linguistic, and religious groups. The country's history and geography have contributed to the formation of a diverse cultural landscape that reflects unity in diversity. One of the key features of Pakistan's national culture is its linguistic diversity. The country is home to more than 70 languages, including Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, and Pashto. These languages reflect the diverse ethnic and cultural identities of the people of Pakistan. Similarly, Pakistan's religious diversity is also a significant aspect of its national culture. The country has a Muslim majority but also has significant Hindu, Sikh, Christian, and Buddhist populations. The coexistence of these religious groups has contributed to a unique culture tapestry and that is inclusive and accepting of diversity. The arts and literature of Pakistan also showcase the country's unity in diversity. Pakistan's literature, music, and dance are influenced by various cultures and traditions, including Persian, Mughal, and British. The fusion of these influences has led to the creation of a distinct and vibrant cultural identity. Finally, Pakistan's cuisine is another reflection of its diverse national culture. The country's cuisine is a fusion of various regional and ethnic flavors, resulting in a rich and diverse culinary landscape. Pakistani cuisine includes dishes from Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, and Pashtun cuisines, among others. In conclusion, Pakistan's national culture reflects unity in diversity as it is a fusion of various ethnic, linguistic, and religious groups. The country's history, geography, literature, music, dance, and cuisine have all contributed to the formation of a diverse and inclusive cultural identity. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.